Okay, so this website is dealing specifically with kindergarten, and measurement and data is the domain, and the specific standard is to classify objects and count the number of objects in each category and to sort them according to the number. And so how this works is there's a description up here. All objects inside have the same shape, color, and size, and then some of the blocks on the outside belong with them, and we got to figure out which blocks belong on the inside. So it looks like we've got just mainly small shapes, so we're just going to try and as we can see, all of the blocks inside are small, so it'll tell you if you're correct or not up here. And so this one doesn't deal specifically with actually physically counting them, but what you can do after what I could do, or you could do after you're done sorting them, or maybe even before you check to see if you're right, is count like maybe how many yellows there are and group those together over here, and then count how many reds there are and group them over there, and then count how many greens there are. So that way the kids not only have the kids have sorted them according to one specific or one or two specific characteristics, but also sort them according to how many there are, which is good for comparison's sake and learning how to sort things on multiple levels. In terms of how I would use this in the classroom is I would definitely use this for large group instruction, so that way my students and I can practice not only sorting them according to shape, color, and size, but also practice sorting them according to how many there are. So that way, when I release them to maybe practice this on their own at centers, they would have a better idea of what's expected of them, and they could even write it down on a piece of paper how many there are, and I think this would be a great resource to use in the classroom. Thanks.